How to suggest edits in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to suggest edits. At the top right corner, tap the three dot icon. Here you will see the option for Suggest Changes. Turn this option on. This allows you to make changes that appear as suggestions instead of direct edits. Now, when you start typing, deleting, or moving text, your changes will be shown in green. Others with access to the document can see your suggestions and either accept or reject them. If you want to add a specific comment without changing the text, just highlight the word or sentence, then tap the plus icon or comment button to add your note. This is especially useful for collaboration as it helps everyone track proposed changes without altering the original content. You can switch back to editing mode anytime if you want to make permanent changes. And that's it. Now you know how to suggest edits in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.